Jai Hind everyone, myself Sumit Singh Bhadoria and today's we discuss about consistency. You all are listening about the word consistency, but we don't know actual meaning of consistency. What is actual meaning of consistency? I'll tell you now. So the simply the consistency means doing your doing any work with full of honesty. You can do any work, not bad work. You can do any good work with your फुल होनेस्टी. आपकी पूरी ईमानदारी होनी चाहिए उस वर्क के प्रति. तो वो कंसिस्टेंसी में आएगा. आपको यू हैव टू डू डेली दैट वर्क. सो what I give an example of myself on consistency. This is about I talking about the year 2019. I try to do push up, but I'm unable to do any push up. I have zero strength. I have no strength. uh, when I do push up, when we go down in push up, when we go down, I don't have that much strength so that I can go to the down, to near the ground. But now I say that yeah, I can do push up very well. I know there is huge time gap between 2019 to 2020-24. In 2019 I am unable to do this. Then I कभी कभी मैं कर लेता था पुशअप, कभी कभी, नॉट ऑन रेगुलर बेसिस. Then in 2020 the same thing, I am unable to do push-up. In 2021 same thing happened. But in 2022 I start gym for 1 month, yeah, 1 month, and I start doing push-up. But I do it in very wrong manner. Yeah, what I do, I just move my hand like this, not touching my chest to the ground. I'm just doing this type of dance and nothing else. uh, yeah, and I'll try very hard to do correct posture, to do push up in a correct posture. But every time I'll try it again and again, I lost, but I never quit. मैं लगा रहा. uh, then now I am in college. I am 18 years old. I will become 18 years old in next month. Currently I am 17 years old. So I started gym in starting of winter. I'll do 3 months gym, and also at that time I am unable to do push up in correct posture. Yeah, at that time I'll do push up 25 push up, but not in correct posture. I do that time be wrong. I do wrong push up also at that time. Yeah. So nothing that happened. Due to some issues, I quit the. mm, I stopped doing gym because my NDA is also coming. Therefore, and also there are some reasons so that I quit. I have to quit I have to do quit the gym. Not quit. We say stop. Yeah. Then after 15 days, I start doing push up. Uh, Not 15 days. After 1 month, I'll start doing workout at home. In starting, I am unable to do a single push up in correct posture. I'll try very hard. I'll try very hard to do a single correct push up. After 2 to 3 days, I'll do single push up, but with correct posture. By doing my first single push up in correct posture, I have much confidence. I become confident. Yeah. So on start we said on ending of Feb. Yeah, 25 Feb. In ending of 25 Feb, I start doing push up till starting of March. I'll do my first single push up in correct posture, in which I can touch my chest to near the ground. Yeah, I'll happy at that day. From 25 Feb, I regularly till now. What is today date? Today is 27 March 2024. Till now, I don't skip any day uh, in which I don't do any push up. I'll regularly from 25 Feb to now 27 March regularly doing push up. Every day I do push up. Yeah, and in starting I do single push up, then I slowly work on myself. In 1 week, I am able to do 5 push up in correct posture. Then I'll do slowly. I daily do push up. When I daily do push up in one set, first I reach 7 push up, then slowly I will reach 10 push up, 10 to 12, 12 to 14, 14 to 17, and currently I am at 20 push up. Currently I do 20 push ups in correct posture in one set. Yeah, I'll do 3 sets, and every set is of 20 push-ups. So the I only want to say you that never quit and be consistent. If you remain consistent, then you'll definitely achieve you'll definitely achieve your goal. So और कभी भी हार नहीं माननी हैगी. नेवर थिंक योर सेल्फ डाउन. मेहनत करते रहो. एंड ओके, तब तक के लिए अब मिलते हैं आपसे नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में. तब तक के लिए जय हिंद, टाटा, टेक केयर, गुड बाय, वंदे मातरम, जय हिंद.